Surviving means different things to different people. So here's a bunch of knives out there that you could call survival knives. To us, a survival knife is like your reliable tool, super versatile and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So in today's video, we're going to check out mightiest fixed blade knives for survival. Stick around and enjoy the show.
We'll be starting with the Survive GSO 4.7, a reliable survival tool that can be a lifesaver in critical situations. Imagine being stranded in the wilderness with no means of communication or help. You have to make a fire, shelter, and gather food and water to survive. In such a scenario, the right knife can make all the difference. The GSO 4.7 strong spear point blade can help you perform a variety of tasks, from chopping wood to preparing food. Its sturdy blade material, CPM 3V or CrewForge V, can endure tough outdoor conditions, whether you're cutting through thick branches or carving through tough animal hides. The GSO 4.7's thick blade can be used to create improvised tools, such as stakes for a shelter or spears for hunting. It's a versatile tool that can increase your chances of survival in a variety of scenarios. The knife's multiple handle options, including canvas, linen, and G10, ensure a secure grip in any condition, whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or sweat. Overall, the knife's compact size and easy portability make it an ideal tool for a bug-out bag or emergency kit. The Bark River Mountain New 2 is not just a great hunting knife, it's also an excellent tool for survival situations. Its grippy and secure handle ensures a comfortable and firm grip, which is crucial when you're out in the wilderness and need to rely on your knife for tasks like building a shelter or starting a fire. The canvas or linen micarta handle is not only comfortable, but also durable and able to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The CPM Crewwear steel blade with a plain edge is another standout feature of the Mountaineer 2, providing you with a sharp and durable blade that can cut through tough materials like rope and branches with ease. This makes it perfect for preparing food and even defending yourself in an emergency situation. Carrying the Mountaineer 2 is also easy and convenient with the included genuine leather sheath. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or just need a reliable knife for everyday carry, the Mountaineer 2 is a top-of-the-line option for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Condor Patagon knife is a top-of-the-line fixed-blade knife that is specifically designed for survival situations. Inspired by Facon knives used by outdoorsmen on the plains of Patagonia, this knife is built tough for survival, making it an essential companion to any survivalist. With a 5.91-inch 420HC stainless steel blade and a two-tone finish, the Patagon is remarkably tough without being brittle, making it ideal for harsh survival conditions. The full-tank construction of the blade ensures that it can withstand heavy use, while also providing excellent balance and control. In addition, the polished walnut handle of the Patagon provides a comfortable and secure grip in any situation, and is resistant to the elements, which is a crucial feature in a survival knife. The included leather sheath makes it easy to carry the knife with you wherever you go, ensuring you always have a reliable tool at your disposal. Overall, its durability, versatility, and high-quality construction make it a must-have for anyone who values preparedness and reliability in the great outdoors. TBS Grizzly is a rugged and reliable survival knife that can withstand the harshest outdoor conditions. Made from 6mm thick high-quality K720 high-carbon tool steel, the blade is exceptionally tough and durable. Its Scandi grind and 5-inch length make it perfect for a wide range of survival tasks such as cutting, chopping, feathering, and even striking a fire steel. The cutout depression of the spine of the blade is another standout feature of the Grizzly, which is perfect for striking a fire steel and starting a fire in emergency situations. The knife is available in 3 different handle varieties: natural micarta, curly birch, and Turkish walnut. The sculptured and ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for prolonged periods of use, which is essential when you're out in the wilderness and need to rely on your knife for tasks like building a shelter or preparing food. Ka-Bar BK62 Kevlar is an exceptional survival knife that has been battle-tested and proven to withstand tough outdoor conditions. The knife is named after the legendary outdoorsman and librarian Horace Kevlar, who dedicated his life to studying camping and survival. The BK62 is a tribute to Kevlar's work and features a 1095 steel blade that delivers solid and reliable strikes. The beautifully crafted walnut grip provides a comfortable and stable grasp during survival. This knife is an all-in-one tool that you can rely on for a variety of survival tasks such as building shelter, preparing food, and even defending yourself in emergency situations. The sturdy construction of the BK62 makes it a long-lasting option for any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast. Next up, the SE6P is designed to withstand extreme conditions, making it an ideal choice for survival situations. Whether you need to cut through tough materials like rope or branches to build shelter or start a fire, the 1095 steel blade and flat grind of the 6P will make short work of it. The knife's micarta handle is comfortable to grip even in wet or cold weather conditions, which is especially important in survival situations where your hands may be wet or numb. The perfect balance of weight, size, and heft also means that the knife can handle both small and large cutting jobs with ease, making it a versatile tool to have on hand. The finger choil of the 6P allows for added control, which is important for precision tasks like carving or feathering wood for kindling. And because the knife is built to last, you can rely on it to perform consistently over time, no matter what challenges you may face in the wilderness. The Fallkniven F1 is an excellent survival knife that can handle any challenge you might face in the great outdoors. The drop point blade made out of 3G steel and a plain edge type makes it an excellent choice for various tasks such as chopping branches, shaving wood, and skinning game. With a razor-sharp edge, the knife can quickly and easily cut through tough material, making it ideal for survival scenarios. The Kraton handle of the F1 provides a comfortable and secure grip even in wet conditions, which is crucial in the wilderness. With a weight of only 5.2 ounces, the knife is easy to handle and maneuver, making it perfect for long-time use without causing fatigue or discomfort. The lightweight design also makes it easy to carry in your backpack or on your belt, so you always have it handy when you need it. To conclude, its versatile design and superior craftsmanship make it an excellent investment for anyone who values quality and performance in their survival gear. SE Camplor RB3, your rugged survival companion born from the expertise of wilderness masters. Crafted in the heart of Idaho, USA, this fixed blade knife means business. Its 1095 steel blade, cloaked in a stone-washed black oxide finish, boasts a Scandi grind that's a beast in the wild. When you grip its canvas micarta scales, you feel the security of a true survival partner in your hand, even in the toughest outdoor trial. Whether you're building a shelter, crafting tools, or conquering the wilderness, the RB3 stands ready. It's not just a blade, it's an extension of your skill and determination. The upgraded leather pouch style sheath ensures it's always at your side, ready to tackle whatever challenges nature throws your way. Ruben Bolio's design reflects the wisdom of those who've truly lived off the land, and now it's your turn to harness that power. With the SE Camplor RB3, you're not just surviving, you're thriving in the great outdoors. The William Collins Survival Knife isn't just a knife, it's a lifeline in the wilderness. Crafted for the toughest of tasks, it's the ultimate survival companion. With blade options like O1 tool steel and Nitro V stainless steel, this fixed blade knife can conquer any challenge nature throws your way. Its weight distribution is finely tuned, making it effortlessly adept at handling even the most demanding operation. When you grasp its green canvas micarta handle, secured with brass pins, you'll feel the confidence of a comfortable and unyielding grip, essential for survival scenario. The WCSK offers raw power, adaptability in size, a variety of blade options, and an easy sharpening procedure, making it a trusted partner when survival is on the line. Whether you're building a shelter, foraging for food, or feeding off the elements, the WCSK is your tool of choice. In the wilderness, every decision counts, and every tool must perform without fail. The William Collins Survival Knife ensures that you not only endure, but thrive in the harshest of environments, turning survival into a true adventure.